Beishan, Beishan, oh Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Little tiny village called Beishan, enveloped by the greater Zhuhai. Just on the other side from Macau. Hey, 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 ba, 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 Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me. Take me, take me, take me, take me to Beishan. Show me, show me, show me Beishan. Let me see, let me see, let me see Beishan. Just looking around, I'm Zhuhai bound. What do we got to see? Come follow me.
Okay, we're in Beishan Village. We're going to be playing music here soon, but at the moment they're in between. So I just ended another set. So we're probably going to hear that shortly. But just to give you an idea, we'll put it on the map of where we are exactly as well. But we're kind of in this cool little square of Beishan Village. We'll try to show you as much as we can. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. So now you saw it on the map, now you know where it is. But yeah, they have this Pad Thai bistro.
What up? What's good?
I'll tell you all about it. So.
While I in the house, take down, dropping it. Put you down when the sun. You're so down when
So we're going to walk right into the heart of everything. With the music playing in the back. Beishan Jung Street says right there. Lights are perfect. There's another Thai bistro right there. I do want to go in there as well, so I think we're going to kind of meander in that way in a minute. But this area is what I want to look at first. So let's take a look. capture. It's kind of in the way a little bit. So this is kind of the main spot here. I'm gonna go up one of these alleys in a moment. I don't want to go up that alley, but there's actually a lot of stuff in all the different directions, as you can guess. There's even a hotel right here, art hotel. And it looks like it just opened in 2024. Okay, so let's go into this little alley right in here. Okay, a little bit dark right there, but it's gonna lighten up now. So yeah, Beishan is, let me try to explain it a little bit, but it's all these little alleys, and it used to be, you know, just regular working people with modest homes, and now it's all converted into hello.
Hot.
Oh, hot pot. Oh, that sounds good.
You can
Oh,
see
good.
chicken.
Ah.
Beef.
Oh, beef. That looks good. 38.
Oh,
Good price.
you can have a taste.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. I'll come back.
Okay.
谢谢.
Bye bye.
Bye. So you got hot pot. So hot pot, that looks pretty tasty. Yeah. There's chicken hot pot as well. Lots of stuff down these little alleys. Let's see. Okay. So we're gonna there's hot pot right there as well. So it looks like this little alley is filled with hot pot options. And we are going to be going around more. Chicken hot pot. Got a kitchen set up there. Okay, so back in these alleys, it's not as crowded, but it's still interesting. But we are going to go back to the crowds. I'm going to walk through this alley. I'm kind of tempted to turn the camera off until I get back to the people, but whenever I do that, there's something that surprises me. Shisha. It's kind of a cool space. That's the thing, is you never know what you're going to see. So if you turn the camera off, then you miss it. And if you miss it, it's awkward to turn it back on and try to capture it. It's Bohemia Live Bar. They have live music. Let me see. Could go down that way. I think we're gonna go down. Let's go down this way. Kind of good for videos. This is the Japanese Spirited Away Cafe. Okay. Some more. Okay, let me turn the camera off and then I'm going to go to where all the people are at. Okay, so we're almost where all the people are at, but you can kind of see all this kind of Americana, Harley Davidson, US 66, American license plate, VW, who I guess is European. So now we're going to come back out here. And then this is where we're going to get into all the people again. And that other direction that we were at was down this way, so we were down that way in a little while ago. Let's see. Taiwanese chicken rice. Yeah. So we were kind of in that way, and then I think we went down one of these little alleys like that. Okay. So we are going to go down a little bit more this way, and then this pizza, I always see this one in all the YouTube Beishan Village ones. It's kind of well located. You can hear the Beatles. He's so heavy. Okay. So kind of a cool little spot. Chewy noodles. And then if you keep walking down this way, it goes into like all these fresh fruits and vegetables. And just kind of modest stuff that you can buy, shampoo, kitchenware. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna turn the camera off and go to a whole other spot of Beishan Village. I think we're gonna try to go down one of these little alleys. So this just kind of represents the fact that you can get into all kinds of interesting stuff in all the different directions. I don't know what I'm gonna see down here exactly. Oh, okay. Looks like it goes into restaurants, bathroom. So this is all one big place. I'm in the restaurant, I think. Oops. Am I still in the restaurant? I think so. Sorry. Yeah, that just leads into the restaurant. There's like seating for. So, oops. Okay. Let's go to a different area. Pardon me. There's banh mi right in here. I have to come back for that. Okay, there's actually a lot more to Beishan to film, but I don't think I'm gonna go into all of it because there's other directions that I usually don't go. It's easy to stay in the alleys. Let me just kind of. So we just kind of went down one way, but there's actually other alleys in the other directions too. That could affect my video. Looks like there's people inside. So anyways, this is house music, low tea, shisha. And then that was a little plaza where you can hear the music, I believe. And we could walk in different directions, of course. I'm gonna walk this way for the moment. And not gonna be in the alleys a little bit. We're gonna kind of show you down some other streets. But you can, but I've been filming off and on in this area recently, so you can always look in my thumbnails and find past ones. So here's another one, Live Studio Live. I'll just kind of walk down. Here's another Thai restaurant. Looks like the same board, same. Let me see. Here's a little drinking place. Another restaurant. Cat and other stuff they could look at. Okay. So I am going to turn the camera off and then come back way down there. But I guess I'm not, I just saw this kind of upstairs part too, but also the signage looks really nice here. It's really cool. Okay. And you've got the live music one as well. So let's go way down there. So this is more the Sisha, so there actually is an outdoor spot that you can sit out that way. And then we're back to that DJ again, so now we're gonna get into all new territory. Ramen shop. And we also have a cat right there too. Let me just kind of walk in here real quick. Stage. All kinds of cool stuff. Could easily film in here for a while. Facido. I kind of want to avoid the music. Funny Ugly Monsters. Fugler. Facido. So you kind of have this nice, beautiful park. And this spot where all the kids can hang out as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is we're going to walk to the right and go all the way down, and then there's some other stuff all the way down that way. These are all the kids kind of playing badminton and such. So yeah, you're getting a taste of Beishan. I guess I should keep the camera on briefly just so you can just see that it's not just bars and restaurants, it's actually like community. You can see all the apartments in the background as well, right? And now you can see like we in this one we were down there, so we were in that area, like maybe 2 streets that way, but there's another street there, another street there, another street there. So anyways. So yeah, that's basically Beishan Village. I'm going to add one more little part before we leave entirely though. I'm going to go out to the entrance part. Up there. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, and this is actually a temple, and there's actually like, they're doing some streaming in there as well. So we're just going to just briefly take a look. So yeah, it's actually a little temple in that way. But we're going to walk over that way. And then we're going to end the video. So I want to show a couple other places over there real quick. This is kind of cool too. So there got badminton, and then there's also a ping pong table. And this is near the entrance. So over here is where all of the taxis will be waiting. We can also do DD and things like that. And I'm going to walk over to these, just to make sure I don't get hit by a car here. But there's some other stuff over here too. There's Zinbach, and then there's another one. So we're just gonna show those real quick. So you got this big giant bar right here. You can sit outside or inside. And there's one over there I'm gonna show you too. So, and yeah, this one's Aladdin kebab. So it's a kebab shop. So this one and then that one are 2 other bars, and then way in the distance is all of Beishan. Let me just see if I can manage these bikes. So those are all way over there. See some tall buildings and this kind of main street. And then we're gonna end the video. So this is the outside of Beishan Village, and then we're gonna come to an ending. We'll end it there.
Take me